The year is 1888. London is shrouded in fog, and a revolution is brewing in the hidden workshops beneath the city. The mechanical brain, Blackwood's masterpiece, promises to usher in an age of unparalleled automation and artificial intelligence. A shadowy organization, known only as the Cogsmiths, seeks to steal Blackwood's creation and weaponize its potential. Emily discovers a hidden compartment within the mechanical brain, revealing a failsafe mechanism designed to prevent its misuse. The Cogsmiths launch their attack, infiltrating the workshop with clockwork soldiers and steam-powered weaponry. Blackwood and Emily fight back, using their knowledge of automatons and engineering to disable the Cogsmiths' forces. Emily races to activate the failsafe mechanism as the Cogsmith leader confronts Blackwood in a final showdown. Emily activates the failsafe, disabling the mechanical brain and rendering it useless to the Cogsmiths. The Cogsmith leader is defeated, and his forces retreat, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Blackwood and Emily survey the damage, realizing the immense power and potential danger they have unleashed. The mechanical brain, though deactivated, remains a symbol of both innovation and the perils of unchecked ambition. London returns to its foggy slumber, unaware of the battle that has transpired beneath its streets. Blackwood and Emily vow to protect the secrets of the mechanical brain, ensuring that its power will never fall into the wrong hands. The future of automaton intelligence remains uncertain, but Blackwood and Emily stand ready to face whatever challenges may come. The secrets of the mechanical brain are carefully guarded, hidden deep within the heart of their workshop. The legacy of innovation and the burden of responsibility weigh heavily on their shoulders. As the fog thickens once more, the tale of the mechanical brain fades into the annals of steampunk history, a testament to human ingenuity and its potential consequences. The blueprints of the mechanical brain become legendary, whispered among inventors and dreamers, a beacon of what could be. The question remains, will humanity learn from the past, or will the allure of artificial intelligence lead to a new era of mechanical madness?